Alright, today we'll be changing out the coils and the plugs for a 3.0 Honda. This is a 2000, but it's the same engine from 97, I believe, to 2002. This is actually 2001. But anyways, all I have is a basic 5/8 socket. I have a 6-inch, and I also got two of these 2.3s, but you don't really need these. All you need is a 6-inch, your 5/8, a flathead, oh, and a number 6 Allen wrench. Oh, and a 10mm socket. I already did all the back ones here, but it's the same as the front, just front's easier to show you. But for this right here, you need a 10 to move this hose out the way so you can access this guy. Besides that, they're all done, and next I'm gonna get this all up here. All three. The first thing you want to do is get your flathead, and you need to remove these plastic trim pieces. There's one underneath here, and that's it. So next I'm just gonna pop off all of these. It's all three. Oh, and I do have these numbered because 3 of my coils are bad, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm gonna keep the good ones just in case, because the ones I bought were kind of a cheaper $70 set on Amazon, and I trust OME Honda more. So next thing I'm going to do is get my 6mm. I'm going to remove all three of these and pull out the spark plugs and get ready for the install. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of anti-seize to the threads here. It's hard to do it with holding the phone in one hand, my spark plug, and the brush, so sorry about the quality. So they already had dielectric grease in there, so I didn't have to add any of mine. But I went ahead and brought some. Now you want to grab your 6mm bolt with your Allen wrench, and you want to snug those down nice and tight. But obviously don't go too tight again. Now, so what I'm going to do here is connect the connector. I have this video muted, but here I'm showing you how you want to push them down all the way until you hear a little click like that, just like you heard. Alright, so all of these are done, and I snugged the spark plugs down. You don't want to over tighten them because you could strip it, and they're aluminum heads, and now you have, even if it's steel heads, you have a pretty big issue on your hand. But anyway, so this is, I changed all 6. It was tough for me to show you the anti-seize here, but I got some high temp anti-seize. You don't want to spread it with your finger. I was just doing that to show you on the video how to spread it. I didn't do that on none of them, just that one, because you don't want no gum or nothing getting in there. I used the brush on it, and you don't want to apply too much, but you want to go all up and down the threads. This is an old spark plug. Let me show you on this one. Let focus. So you want to just apply it. You don't want to apply it up here. You kind of want to go from right where my thumb is all the way down. Don't want to get too high because you don't want the anti-seize messing with the spark. Anyways, if it's there, just wipe it off. Now I also got some dielectric grease, silicone grease, to put around here. But since my new ones were already pre-greased, I didn't need that. Now I have all of these numbered. The 6 is like the worst one, but so you got 1 through 6. But pretty much this is all my spark plugs were in need of a change. This I believe these are the originals. I mean, they are the originals. And this car had like 220, that's not accurate miles. It has like 220 or 205 on it. And anyways, that's it. It's a 3-liter gas engine. And this was my codes it was reading. This one was 2 mean fires on cylinder 1. But I also had additional codes. It had 1, 2, and 4 misfires. So that would be 1, 2, and 4. So these 3 were fine. But anyways, I'm going to keep these because the ones I bought were kind of cheaper ones. And in case they go out soon, I can always replace them back with the OME ones. The ones that are obviously good. Now, my spark plugs were pre-gapped. You can always make sure yours are pre-gapped. But since I had the Iridium spark plugs, I didn't want to mess with it. So it's pre-gapped. The start of my car runs fine. I had this little engine light, so I ran over to O'Reilly's, had it cleared, and I'm driving it fine, and none of these are coming up now. But anyway, so you need anti-seize, you need silicone grease if yours don't already have it, or if you're using the old ones, use it. And that's it. Oh, I did get a video of me snugging these down, but you snug them down just tight. You don't want over tying it, or you don't want them obviously too loose. And you can look up the torque specs and do it the right way. I done hundreds of these, so I'm good enough with trusting my instinct. Plus it's my car too, so if I mess it up, it's mine. But yeah, so I'm keeping this paper. I'm gonna keep these old coils just in case I need them. Thanks for watching. If you need anything else or want any other maintenance tips, or want to see anything else get changed, let me know.